$2 coins allow for the purchase of a taco, hot sauce, and 25 cents change. If the customer does not want hot sauce, they can press the button on the front of the machine. Coins lesser in value than dollar coins are not accepted. Since we selected no hot sauce, this time we only got a taco and change. $2 coins are able to reach and raise the bar, allowing the mechanism to rotate. All elements of this machine stem from the central drive shaft. The rounded black Technic element pushes the change tray to the left, and the rubber band pulls it back. The hot sauce mechanism operates off of the lower wheels of the taco conveyor belt. A third conveyor belt dispenses the hot sauce. The button on the front of the machine interlocks with the hot sauce conveyor belt. This means that the hot sauce conveyor belt cannot spin. The rubber band pulley system was used to act as a clutch. When the switch is engaged with the conveyor belt, the rubber band spins freely around the wheels but does not spin the conveyor. When the button is pulled back, the switch disengages and allows the conveyor belt to spin. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, be sure to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing.